End span in research. Unwinding the next. It begins with the sun, and sun's energy is clean and constant. All the resources on the earth comes from the sun. Human quest for energy is endless. For many years, atomic energy was considered as safe source of energy. But recent Japan's disaster proved that this is not reliable source of energy. Today, for the whole world, SSP is a new form of energy, which is being considered as a future technology. Here, the new horizon opens up with SSP, Space Solar Power. Space Solar Power, SSP, is the futuristic technology which can solve our long-term energy crisis till Earth lasts. Solar platforms in space can be enormous and can gather 100% more energy than their ground-based cousins. There is a way to overcome these obstacles by placing the solar arrays of collectors in orbit. We can collect 20 times more energy than all the resources used available on the ground. However, in space, where clouds, dusts, and nights do not exist, power generation is stable and constant, and there is always abundant source of sunlight. How is solar power, where there is no night and the power of the sun is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year? The basic idea is simple. Build a solar power station in geostationary orbit to gather sunlight, convert the energy to solar electricity, and then direct it via microwaves to receiving antennas on Earth. Hence, the name Space Solar Power, SSP. Let us know about the current players in this zone. Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency research on space solar power systems wants to launch 2.6 km wide, 1 gigawatt SSP plant. NASA released Phase 1 project in 2012 as SPS Alpha. USA startups Solarin Inc., Space Energy, PowerSat Corporation. China plans to put up 100 kilowatt SSP into LEO by 2020. Russia has a working 100 kilowatt SSP prototype. It was all after the 9.0 magnitude Tohoku earthquake and tsunami on 11th March 2011. Fukushima 1 nuclear power plant accident is the largest of the 2011. Japan has declared that it will make no future investment in nuclear power and evaluating safe alternate energy. At this point, Japan is leading the world in SSP research. Why India should work on it? Recent confession made by the CEO of Microsoft is that we ignored power of mobile phones and kept ourselves busy in computer. We failed to fully utilize the capacity of this easy and handy opportunity available to us. Mobile provided to be of immense powerful tool which we missed. If India wants to be ahead in global race for development and scientific excellence, it has to work ahead in this technology. With the Mars mission success, it has been proved that India is a big player in space technology. For India, with immense population pressure, a safe and never-ending power bank can prove to be a boon. Let us know about the SSP components. The entire SSP system consists of 6 parts. Space exploration with launch and transportation. Fully automatic SSP system installed in space launch vehicle for transport to geostationary orbit 36,000 km. Robotic assembly and installations of SSP components. Robotic assembly technology along with complex robotic function with necessary software ground control. Skyworker research developing robotic technologies for the assembly, inspection and maintenance of large space facilities. The entire system tested and installed for generation of space solar power. Safe wireless transfer. Strong microwave transmitters to be identified for minimum loss for safe wireless power transmission from the solar power satellite to the surface of the Earth. The Earth-based power receiving station which stores and converts microwave to direct current conversion with minimum loss and its supply to the existing grid. Power generation. delivers significant electric power and can contribute to any national power grid. The technology for connection to the grid already exists, although the output of the SSP is a direct current. Power management. Generate ample power from SSP and lighting to earth till it exists at almost no cost. Challenges faced in the research area are: design lightweight maximum power generation space solar power system. High-frequency wireless transmission need to develop to cover distance of 36,000 kilometers. Simulation of receiving system to be developed. Installation maintenance of stable system to be designed for larger solar panel installed in kilometers. Initial higher investment cost. Create awareness and positive environment for SSP. Support needed. No one in world can do it without government support, as it requires various approvals from multiple authorities in India and in globe. Support with initial investment. It is an innovative idea, and success of such research will be the future of the country. Moving ahead. Dynamic decision on Mars orbit mission (MOM) has changed the ISRO image in world, just like NASA did at the time of Moon mission. Taking positive risk and dynamic decision can design the future of our country. As superpower. Anything coming up as an alternate and long-lasting source of energy does have few disadvantages attached as well. High development cost. The huge cost of launching a satellite into space. Construction and maintenance of solar panel in space would typically be done by high-end robotic system and software to be developed. No reference data is available for comparison. And span in research. Unwinding the next. Thank you.